branding mo Mozanzi, especially clothing brand, local branding, was very scarce. Normally those people never considered as the fashion designer. You had to go to school for that.
Yeah.
That's what. Kana go tsela. Wabo. So ntse re hola ntse tsabaya and then go tlhalla mo loreng nna ne ke rekisa di bail. Ile di diaparo tsa di bail. Diaparo tsa di bail ke diaparo tse di aperwe. But they still good. Yeah, second hand the bail. So the bail is la ke bua le tsona. Ne ke di switcha. Ne ke gona o add the spices mo tsona. It look different. Wabo. Then I could sell to people. So ne ke create my own culture. Le batho ba ka. So we always dress differently. And then re gona o bita le motho le o rekile ntho o tura. Rena re rekile ntse le akhala. Yeah. So I've seen pila this thing ya diaparo ke a e rata.